Two of the current biggest names in AI video generation are about to face off in a true side-by-side showdown. In this comparison between Sora 2 and Veo 3.1, we will run identical prompts across both platforms to see how each one performs. You will watch a split-screen storytelling test, a physics simulation, an anime-style render, a complex text-to-video challenge, and even a game-style sequence. Every scene will unfold right before your eyes, so you can spot the strengths, the differences, and the surprises. The choice of which one comes out on top is entirely yours. Watch closely, decide which results speak to you, and share your verdict in the comments. And if you enjoy this style of breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials.
And when the last data point falls into place, we validate. That means every step above it holds. And from there, we can build.
Ready to see real power? Ready to see real power?
This is where champions are made. This is where champions are made.
You'll fall with the temple.
Not before I finish this.
Persistent.
I'm alive.
units. Suspect is driving a silver sports car, last seen heading east on 5th Street. Requesting immediate backup downtown.
Yeah, look at that. That was sick, man. Oh yeah, mad respect. Got him, take it. Finish. All up top. Got it, I got it.
Run it.
Let it fly.
Running.
Good stuff.
Check it out.
Oh, he's too small. Get that weak stuff out of here, D.
And that wraps up our Sora 2 versus Veo 3.1 showdown. You've seen them tested side by side across storytelling, physics, anime, complex prompts, and game-style creations. Now it's your turn to decide which one delivered the most impressive results. Drop your choice in the comments, let me know what stood out to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video battles and comparisons.